Do you want to use your Instagram without anyone knowing you are online? In this video, I will show you how to hide your online status on Instagram app step by step. So, to know how it works, just follow me step by step. The first thing you have to do is to go to Instagram app, as you see, and you will click. Then here in this first page of Instagram, you will have this sign of profile, so you will tap on it. Then on this page of profile, you will go to above to these three lines here, so you will enter to this window. After that, here in this list, you will scrolling down until you find a page called messages and story replays. So you will click here on this sign, as you see here, how others can interact with you. You will find messages and story replays, so you will tap here. After that, you will have this window of who can see you are online, so you will click on show activity status, the first page here, show activity status. You will click. Then in this list, you will have this sign of show activity status, as you see here. They said allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active or are currently active on Instagram apps. When this is turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts. So you have to click here, as you see, and in that way no one can see you when you are online on Instagram account. So that's it. If this video is helpful for you and if you are enjoying watching this video, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.